Draw and learn! Hello kids! I'm Ellie. Today we want to coloring this cake with each other. Oh, it's a cake of birthday! So yummy! Whose birthday today? Maybe it's your birthday? Oh, this cake is for all of you kids. Let's coloring with each other. At first, I want to use pink color for the cream. Pink color. Do you like cream cake? Oh, it's so yummy. Keep going. You're awesome. Try to be so careful. I'm sure you can color it very well. Which color do you like for the cream? Please subscribe us. Do you know when is your birthday? What do you like to do in your birthday? Which gift do you like to have in your birthday? Maybe toys, yes? That's right. You're so great. Keep going. Please coloring with me. Do you like to coloring? I like it very much. That's so great. Now I want to use pink color for this cream again. Keep going, kids. You can do it very well. Oh, what about now? Which color do you like for this cake? Do you like blue color? That's so nice. Let's color it with each other. I'm using blue color. Which color do you like to use? Do you like blue? Blue cream on the cake. It's so yummy. So great. Continue. Please subscribe us. Oh, look at the fires! Which color do you like for the candle? Maybe I can use red color. Do you like it? Red color. Repeat after me. Red color. Yes. And now I'm using blue color. And again, red color. Continue with me. That's so great. I like it. Which color do you like for the second candle? Do you like green? That's so great. I like green very much. Colored with me. And now I'm using yellow color for this part of the candle. Now we want to color the third candle with each other. Purple color. We are using purple color. Repeat after me. Purple. Which color do you like to use now? What about pink color? Do you like it? It's so beautiful. We are using pink color. Repeat after me. Pink. Oh, we finished that with each other. Thank you. That's so nice. A yummy cake. But be careful not to eat cakes very much. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.